Sophie Heller, and we're working on an ACT English punctuation question. We see here that we have this underlined phrase, harsh, the refinement, is what we're going to want to be changing. So let's look at the original sentence. It reads, life in the American colonial era was harsh. The refinement of the mother country was ordinarily lacking. So we see this original phrase as a comma here. This is what we're going to call a comma splice. And a comma splice is when you use a comma to connect two sentences that can stand alone. So life in the American colonial era was harsh and the refinement of the mother country was ordinarily lacking. These are two separate sentences. So the only way we could join these together in the same sentence would be to use a semicolon and not a comma. So choice number 1 is going to be wrong. Choice number 2 has the same issue because it uses a comma to combine two phrases that stand alone. So choice 2 is going to be the same issue, that comma splice. Let's look at choice number 4. Choice number 4 uses the word however. This is going to create a meaning issue because it'll go against the author's intended purpose. So it'll read out, life in the American colonial era was harsh, however, the mother country was ordinarily lacking. So this idea of life being harsh and the mother country being lacking, this is the same idea. So using however to contrast this doesn't make any sense. So this is not going to work. Choice 3 is going to be what the author is trying to explain, because the author is trying to explain that life was harsh because the mother country was ordinarily lacking. So this for here is functioning as a because. So it's a correct transition to connect the two thoughts. So choice number 3 is going to be our right answer.